What's up, y'all? It's Carrie with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today we're going to learn the steps to the trending dump truck dance. This is not my choreography. I will tag the original creator down below. I'm just going to break down the steps nice and slow, step by step. Here we go. So our first 8 count, we're going to do some poses. Our first pose, you're going to take your right leg out, bend that left knee. You're going to cross your hands at your wrists, put your palms together, and those are going to go up over your head. If this doesn't feel good, then just whatever you want to do up there. But I'm crossing my hands, and then you rotate and put your hands together. That's on 1, 2. And you can jump out into it or just step out into it. So we're going to go 1, 2. On 3, 4, if you're dancing with a partner or a group of people, that's when they're going to hit the pose on 3, 4. So group 1 goes 1, 2, go 3, 4. If you're dancing by yourself, you can just hold 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do. As long as on 3, 4, we have this right foot out. On 5, 6, we're going to take our left hand to our head, right hand out, and you're going to look at that hand. 5, 6, and you're just going to take your head to the front. 7, 8. Yeah. So this is 1, 2, go 3, 4, look 5, 6, look 7, 8. So again, from here, your feet don't do anything different. You're just going to let the hands drop and then pop your head to the front. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, group 1 on 1, 2, go 3, 4, look 5, 6, front 7, 8. From here, your left hand's going to drop or come to your hip. Your right hand's going to fan your face. And your footwork, you can just kind of step side to side here, whatever you want to do, taking your hips, bouncing with it. My footwork is actually going to go right touch left, left touch right, right touch left, left touch right. So a step, then touch, step. If you want to do touch, then step, you can. Whatever you want to do. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. So you are here, your head popped to the front. We're going to step on your right, touch your left, fan your face. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, group 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, go 3, 4, look 5, 6, 7. Step on your right, in touch, left in touch, right in touch, left in touch. Great job. You just finished fanning your face. Just your footwork. You're going to step on your right foot. Left foot's going to kick back. Hey. You're going to step on your left foot. Right foot's going to kick up in some fashion. I'm going to lift my knee up to the front. I've seen people kick it out. I've seen people take it out to the side. Whatever you want to do. I'm going to go right, left, left, right, and then you're just going to step out of that onto your right leg. Right, left, left, right, right. My arms, as I step, I'm going to clasp my hands down, and then as I kick that leg back, I'm going to fold them up. That's 1, 2, 1, 2. The arms come down. 3, as you take the right leg up. 4, they're going to come to this T, and then they're just going to come down on 5. So again, we go clasp, throw it, down, T, down. Again, 5, 6, step on your right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6. Your left hand's going to come to your hip. We're going to fan again, same hand, but this time you're going to take your hips, push them back and around as you fan yourself. So that's 7, 8, 1, 2, and then you're going to come back here on 3, 4. Yeah, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So you're going to step on your right, take it up. It's going to look like this. 5, 6, step on your right. On 1, 2, step 3, T, 4, down 5, 6, around 7, 8, 1, 2, down 3, 4. Try it again. 5, 6, step on your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, down 3, 4. And if you want to keep going 3, 4, because you just love this move, then keep it going. Back to the top. So we're going to have one pose, another pose, take it out. Group 1, group 2, or 2 poses if you're dancing by yourself. 5, 6, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, group 1, on 1, hold 2, go 3, hold 4, look 5, hold 6, look 7, hold 8, fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step on your right, kick your left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 7, 8, 1, 2, drop them, 3, 4. Let's do it a little bit faster. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hit that pose on 1, 2, pose 3, 4, look 5, 6, look 7, fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. You're doing a fantastic job. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. Let's finish it out. So we did 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4. You're gonna take your left arm out, right arm's gonna bend, elbows up, 5, 6, and then you're just gonna switch that, 7, 8. So to the left, to the right. And you can just kind of lean into it. You can do like a little Superman action, or you can really sit your hips into it. Really? Was that really? No. But you could just work your hips however feels good to you through that on 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, you can finish there, or I've seen a little extra 3 counts here if you feel crazy. So you can be done 5, 6, 7, 8, or you can go 5, 6, 7, and you're gonna bend your arms in on 8. They're gonna go up 1, down 2, and on and 3, you're just gonna go cross out. So again, this will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, cross out. So they bend, push up, pull down, cross out. Counts are 8, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, so this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So you're really only here for 1 count. Ooh, well, let's mark it really, and then that's really it. So finish here, or add this last little thing if you want. Nice and slow from 1, 2. You got it. 5, 6, step on your right. Go 1, 2, 3. T4, 5. Hold 6 around 7, 8, 1, 2, down 3. Hold 4 to the left, 6 to the right. Then fold 1, 2, and 3. All the way back to the top. Really super duper slow. Posing on 1, 2. Group 1 or yourself. 5, 6, 7, hit your pose on 1, hold 2, hit 3, hold 4, look 5, hold 6, 7, 8, fan right, touch left, left, touch right, right, touch left, step on your right, kick your left, 2, 3, T4, down 5, take it around, 8, 1, 2, down 3, to the left on 5, 6, then 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. You're doing an amazing job. We're gonna go a little bit faster. If you're not ready, rewind it. Go at that slower tempo again. Rewind it even farther. Learn some of the steps again. Break them down a little slower. Whatever you need to do. But if you're ready, let's go a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Hit your pose on 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5. Now look 7, fan on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step on your right. 1, 2, 3. T4 down 5, 6 around 7, 8, 1, 2 down 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Ooh boy. We're gonna do it one last time, a little bit faster. Have fun, you can't mess it up. Just move. Here we go. Hit that first pose on 1. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 round 7, 8, 1, 2 down 3, 4 left 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Fantastic. And that was it. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're wondering where the music is, it's going to be in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below, or up here in this card, and it's kept separate for copyright reasons. So if you want to practice it with music, head over to that other video. You just got to hit that one link. It'll take you there. You can practice, and then you can always come back to this video if you need to work on the steps. I love social media dance trends, TikTok dances, because they're short. They get people up and moving, maybe people who've never taken a dance class before, because you can learn it at your house. You can learn it online just by watching your phone or your TV screen or whatever. It's a very low barrier to entry, and it still has all the benefits of learning to dance because you're having to remember the choreography, you're up and moving your body, hopefully your endorphins are going and feeling good. So anything that gets people up and moving and shares the joy of dance is all right in my opinion. And that's why I love to share these little trending dances with you. So thank you again for joining me. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, you can hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. If you have a suggestion for a dance, I can't get to all of them, but I do love to hear your suggestions. You can comment it below. You can find me on Instagram or TikTok and comment there or direct message me. I love to hear your song ideas. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day, and I look forward to dancing with you again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.